In this video, we're covering 5 tips to help make sure that you find the best used Toyota Sienna possible for your dollar. The third-generation Toyota Sienna hit the road in 2010 for model year 2011, and after a few years on sale, Toyota gave it a major update for model year 2017, rolling out new power, better efficiency, improved multimedia systems, and more feature content. From 2017, the Sienna offered 30 more horsepower thanks to a more fuel-efficient V6 engine and 8-speed automatic transmission combination, and for much of this generation's life, it was the only minivan option with all-wheel drive. Here are 5 tips for used Toyota Sienna shoppers to help uncover problems and issues reported by some owners. Tip number 1. Key fobs, liftgate, locks, and latches. Some Toyota Sienna owners from this generation have reported irritating problems with locks, latches, key fobs, and the vehicle's power tailgate. Most have not. So on your test drive, start by confirming that both available key fobs are able to work all of the door locks and the power tailgate as expected. You'll want to double check for proper operation of the push-button start system and confirm that all door latches, inside and out, are in proper working order, along with all power window switches. Triple check that the power tailgate opens from all possible releases. A power tailgate that opens but doesn't close, or vice versa, or that stops or reverses partway through its range of motion might be suffering from one or more problems related to the alignment of the tailgate or its latch, or a problem with system electronics like sensors, wiring, or the power tailgate motor itself. Sometimes fixing power tailgate problems is easy and cheap with a minor adjustment, other times more expensive repairs are required. It pays to know before you buy, so if you notice any trouble, be sure to have the vehicle inspected by a professional before you write that check. Tip number 2. Rear end clunk or click. Some owners have reported a concerning clunking or clicking sound from the rear of their vehicles, particularly at low speeds and often while beginning to accelerate away from a stop. This may also be more present on rougher road surfaces, so be sure to visit one on your test drive, quiet the Sienna's cabin, and listen closely for signs of trouble. Sienna owners say this clunking sound might be the result of a problem with braking system components, including brake pads or clips that hold parking brake hardware in place. Others report the unwanted clunking sound to be a sign of one or multiple worn shock absorbers, or an improperly latched rear folding seat. Additionally, the Sienna's rear sliding doors may shift slightly over time, resulting in looseness, which invites unwanted movement of the door assembly while it's closed, and can result in a clunk from the area where the sliding door latches closed on its anchor. Unexplained clunks can cause headaches and cost you money, so be on the lookout. Tip number 3. Climate control system checkup. Be sure to run the Sienna's climate control system through its paces on your test drive. Some owners have experienced climate control system difficulty, including non-functionality, sporadic functionality, or difficulty in getting air at their selected temperature and outlet points. Systematically cycle through all possible distribution points and temperature settings for all seating rows. You want to make sure the climate control system can deliver air at the temperature and location of your choosing 100% of the time, and if that's not the case, proceed with caution because one or more parts within the system might be in need of repair or replacement, which can be expensive. Tip number 4. Power sliding doors. Some owners have reported power sliding doors that beep instead of opening or closing, or move partway through their range of motion before stopping or reversing direction. Other owners have reported shifting of the door and mounting provisions, which can cause rattles, squeaks, or even damage over time. Be sure to run the power sliding doors through their paces several times, confirming proper functionality, and remember that occasional servicing, adjustment, and especially lubrication are vital to keep any power sliding door system in proper working order. Ensuring the used Sienna that you're buying has a healthy battery can help make this system more reliable too. Further, note that a false open door chime or warning can be another trouble sign. Tip number 5. Brakes and alignment. Some owners have reported a shorter than expected lifespan from the Sienna's braking system components like pads and rotors. Others say that tires wear out faster than expected, possibly because of a bad alignment. To avoid the expense of an upcoming brake job, alignment, or tire replacement, take a few steps to root out common warning signs on your test drive. First, quiet the cabin and apply the brakes repeatedly at light, moderate, and heavy pressure from a variety of speeds. Any unwanted vibrations, a throbbing wobble felt through the vehicle, squealing or scraping sounds, or a soft brake pedal feel are signs of trouble that could negatively affect safety and cost you money. A vehicle that pulls hard to one side or the other during heavy braking is another trouble sign. When driving down a flat road, be sure the Sienna tracks straight ahead and doesn't pull to one side or the other, and check all 4 tires for signs of uneven wear across the treads, which is a common sign of alignment trouble that can negatively affect handling and fuel economy while accelerating tire wear. Ensuring your Sienna's tires, brakes, and alignment are healthy is a great way to start your ownership experience. These tips are designed to help you more easily identify possible trouble areas reported by some owners, and I hope they help you find a first-class copy of a second-hand Toyota Sienna. I'm Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca. Hit that like button down below if you learned something new, and until next time, take care and drive safe.